Here we go.
We're about to run the final test. You need to come see this.
All right, I'll be there. So, how's the progress?
The embryo development in the egg is going very well. We'll see the results soon.
I want you to return them to their normal size.
Run! Save yourself!
If you're interested in creating similar AI movies, I'll guide you step by step on how to create an AI movie like this. So let's get started. Part 1. Script and AI Voiceover. To create a movie script, I recommend writing your own, as AI-generated scripts often aren't as good as our own stories. However, if you're short on time, you can use ChatGPT. For AI voiceovers, you can use any text-to-speech AI tool. In this video, I'm using ElevenLabs. You can get a free account. Just follow the link in the video description. You can watch this video on how to use ChatGPT for script writing and ElevenLabs for AI voiceovers. Alternatively, if you want another free option, you can use the TTS OpenAI tool. Check out this tutorial video for more details. Part 2. Image and Video Generator. Once your script is ready, it's time to create scenes for your voiceover. To make scenes, it's easier to use an image-to-video tool. You can watch my video about AI photography techniques using Flux AI. To turn your photos into videos, use Kling AI or Runway ML. You can learn videography techniques from these videos. For more realistic scenes, you might want to use Hotshot AI. Check out this video for AI videography techniques. Part 3. Music and sound effects. To make your AI movie more cinematic, you can generate AI music for free. Watch this video for a guide on how to do that. For sound effects, I haven't created a specific video yet, but here's a quick guide. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the sound effects menu. Choose Generate Sounds, then type the type of sound effect you need in the prompt section, and click Generate Sound Effects. I've listed all related tutorial videos in the description so you can easily find them. Thank you for watching this AI movie making tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.